In this lecture, I'll explain you how to calculate capital recovery factor and also illustrate the capital recovery factor with a real-time example. When banks and financial institutions lend money to the borrowers, they calculate the installment amounts. That may be a monthly installment, quarterly installment, or annual installment. So to determine the installment amount, banks and financial institutions use capital recovery factor, which means with the help of a capital recovery factor, you can easily determine the loan installment amount. Now I'll explain you how to calculate capital recovery factor. First, I'll write the formula for capital recovery factor. So your capital recovery factor equals to I times 1 plus I raised to the power of n upon 1 plus I raised to the power of n minus 1. So here I is interest rate, then n is duration or a time period. So with this example, using this example, first we calculate the capital recovery factor. Here State Bank of India charges 12.25% compounded monthly. This is a monthly on its 7-year car loan. So on this, first we calculate the capital recovery factor. Here interest rate I equals to 12.25%, but this is per annum. So we need to convert this into monthly compounding. So to get a monthly compounding, you need to do I upon 12. So this equals to 0.1225 taking into decimals upon 12. Then 0.1225 upon 12. So 0.0102 is compounding interest per month. Next is your n. So n here is 7 years. 7 years and 12 months. 12. So this equals to 84 months. So here this is a monthly interest rate and 84 months. Now we substitute these values in our CRF formula. So your I is monthly interest, that is 0.0102. This times 1 plus 0.0102 to the power of n is 84 months. So your 84 upon 1 plus 0.0102 to the power of 84 minus 1. So first we calculate this value so that we can use this in both numerator as well as in a denominator. So this equals to 1.0102 raised to the power of 84. So 2.3454, and then 0.0102 times 2.3454 upon 2.3454 minus 1. So this equals to 0.0102 times 2.3454 and then 2.3454 minus 1. So 1.3454. So this gives you your capital recovery factor equals to 0.0239 upon 1.3454. This equals to 0.0239 upon 1.3454, 0.0178. So your capital recovery factor equals to 0.0178. Now using this, you can calculate your installment. Here, suppose you borrowed rupees 6 lakhs loan to buy a car. Then what is your equated monthly installment? Your equated monthly installment equals to loan amount times capital recovery factor. So your loan amount is 6 lakhs and the capital recovery factor is 0.0178. So this gives you 6 lakhs times 0.0178. 10,680. So your equated monthly installment is rupees 10,680. That means you have to pay 10,680 for 84 months, so that you are repaying your principal amount of rupees 6 lakhs plus interest amount also. Interest which is compounded on a monthly basis. So this is one application of capital recovery factor. Thank you.